Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Ngayon po, mag-unboxing po tayo ng coffee maker. Here you go, guys. Coffee maker, courtesy of my hubby. Cause I think that was 2 weeks ago. I broke my coffee maker. Yung cups niya, guys, bigla na lang siyang nag-crack. So I don't know what happened. It's just like I heard the crack sounds. So I throw it away. So right now, my husband saw that I don't have a coffee maker. I mean, I have one there, but it's a small one. So he gave me money and then he told me to buy a coffee maker. Ahoo-hoo-hoo. Coffee is life, guys. I can't live without coffee, guys. I can't. So I bought one. Let's open, guys. Okay, I forgot to get the knives, but I think I can do it without knives. Let's open, guys. Let's open. Let's put it here so guys can see it. Okay, I will just adjust this. Okay, our camera. Here you go. Actually, this one is different dun sa I had before. And it's really cute, guys. See, and it's black, and I like it. It says it's 12 cups for 12 cups, and the brand is Mr. Coffee. I don't care about the brands, guys, as long as I can use it and I can brew my coffee. I don't care. It's really hard, guys, if you don't have coffee, especially early in the morning. So here you go. I bought this the other day, guys. I think that was Wednesday. Yan po yung nasa loob. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. I have to be careful. Mabasag na naman, guys. So we have to be careful. Oh, I can't pull it out. Ang hirap, guys. Okay, ito na. Here you go. It's oh, it's empty, guys. Wala na siyang dyan. So, tanggalin lang natin ang bolt cardboard sa gilid. Ayan. Diyan ka na. Plastic pa talaga siya, guys. Ito. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan. Oh, it's cute. Sige natin yung plastic. Ito, guys. Meron siya instruction nakalagay. Piece of paper. So, natin siya. So, ito lang yan, guys. Ito lang. Tapos yung pinaka ano niya Tanggalin na natin to guys kasi gagamitin ko na siya mamaya. Pero lilinisan ko muna. Magbubrood muna ako ng water para malinis siya. So ito lang guys na nasa loob niya. Ayan. So ito yung pinaka-picture niya guys. Pinaka-mug niya. 12 cups siya. So 12 cups. So solve na ako dyan sa 12 cups guys. Tapos ito yung lalagyan ng coffee filter at saka yung coffee. So lalagay mo yung coffee filter first and then the brewed coffee. So ilalagay mo dyan. Ilalagay mo dito guys. Over here. Dito. Ilagay mo dyan. Okay. Hindi pa ilagay ko. Tapos ito kasi, dito dadaan, dito lalagyan ng water. You're gonna put the water here. So, ang level niya is over here. Yan, to this one, the line, 12 cups. So, hanggang dyan lang. Huwag mo siyang i-over sa 12 cups kasi matatapon. Kasi, tignan nyo na, may butas siya dito. See? They have hole in there. So, at least, dito lang sa line, 12 cups siya. So, after nyan, i-close mo na kung kompleto na yung mga water mo, coffee filter, and then coffee. And then, this one, ilalagay mo na yan dito. Of course, first, you have to clean it. And then, wash it first. And then, turn this. They have a switch button here. Pag switch mo na yan, iilaw siya ng green. So, automatic naman yan pag ano na siya guys, pag tapos na, mag-off naman yan, automatic. So, that's it guys. Ito na po yung aking coffee, my goodness. Diba po? Kompleto na naman ang araw ko. Guys, thank you po. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy my video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe guys, please. Hope you guys enjoy my video. Please comment down below. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day or have a blessed night. Stay safe guys. Thank you. Bye bye.